Hey there, fellow fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of calisthenics skills progression, and I'll be sharing my top tips to help you level up your game. First off, let's talk about pull-ups. Instead of using a box to boost your height, try hanging from different objects, like monkey bars or gymnastics rings. This way, when you go back to the bar, it'll feel lighter and easier. Next up is handstands. Remember to focus on your form. Press your head against the wall and keep your elbows wide for maximum stability. To make progress, incorporate dynamic movements like handstand push-ups and walking against the wall. Trust me, these will take your handstand game to the next level. Now let's discuss muscle-ups. When practicing on the floor, make sure your arms are straight when you reach peak height. To improve, try doing some dip exercises with a push movement at the top. Plus, try different jump variations to build strength and confidence in executing proper muscle-ups in transition. Hey there, hustlers! Want to take your lead generation to the next level? Fan & Buster is the secret weapon you've been looking for. It's an amazing tool that can automate your tasks and save you hours every week. And guess what? By using my special link in the description below, you can support this channel at no extra cost to you. So, click the link, get started with Fan & Buster, and watch your productivity soar. Let's continue the main topic. Lastly, let's talk about push-ups. If you can't do them on your knees anymore, but are still stuck at 50 reps, try alternating sides with every rep to challenge yourself further, while preventing injury. And when you feel ready for more advanced push-up variations, consider adding claps and one-arm push-ups to your routine. So there you have it, my top tips for perfecting your calisthenics skills progression. Give them a try and watch yourself soar through these challenging exercises with ease. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fitness tips and advice. Stay strong.